one activity which is one of my favorite activity as well. Okay?
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I hope your tea was nice and enjoyable and nice and hot.
Yes.
So everyone is energized because the next game is going to be a little bit of more than energy required. Okay? The name of our game is called Train the Robot. In this game, we're going to have everyone participating, not anyone sitting. So each person who's here has to be part of it. And if there's any way that you don't understand what I'm saying, or you are a little confused or whatever, please do raise your hands and we will guide you nicely. Okay? So Joshna is going to help me out on this game. And we have the details that are written on the chart paper over here. So first thing, I would like you to put your pens, papers, erasers, whatever, under your chairs. Yeah, because that's not value. I don't need it. You don't need one. Yeah. I don't need your books and your pens in your hands. Not in the underwear, under the chairs. Then put it behind the other chairs. Okay.
So not
now,
under you, man.
Yeah. Okay, I need 3 teams, so we will put 3 teams equally numbered, right? So let's see how you can organize yourselves and make yourselves 3 teams. Yeah. Asif, please go ahead. 1.
ABC.
3.
2, 3, 1,
2.
3,
1,
1,
2.
3, 1, 2, 3,
1,
2,
1,
2,
3.
10.
शेयर मार्केट हो गया
Okay. Number ones, where are you?
Yeah.
Right. Number ones, I want you in that corner.
Okay.
Number twos, where are you?
Careful of the wall.
Right, I want you in the middle.
Careful with the plug. We are going to end up
And
stamping it.
number
So be
3
careful.
is
I am here only, don't worry.
Where is the mini?
robot. Okay. So from this, you need to select one robot from your team. Ulka. Right. Now listen, guys. Listen carefully. Okay. Right. Number 1, 2, and 3. Please select your robots from your team.
done.
No, I don't need them. No, I don't need them. No, I don't want the robots that are listed standing next to me, those are your robots for your team, right? Now what you need to do is that your robot needs to be instructed very, very, very carefully with the right communication, with the right mediums, with the right whatever you want to do. It's your business. They have to go and find this key that will be hidden somewhere in this room. Okay? This key will be hidden somewhere in this room. Right. Now, Ulka, please blindfold the robots. Yeah.
चश्मा निकालो सर शक्तिमान चश्मा
Right. Now for the team leaders, for the team members, please listen. Team members, please listen. What you have to do is that your robot will come back to you and you have to explain instructions to him. Now, in normal language, robots don't know language. They don't know English, they don't know Hindi, they don't know Marathi. Because they are like that.
program.
So they don't understand any language that is common to the human being.
We can teach them, right?
No, you cannot teach them. Now, what you have to do is that you have to find a way to communicate with them in the sense of a direction, in the sense of however you want them to find it. Okay? Now this. Now.
So show an example.
Right. So guys, listen. Right. All together.
Machi
So
market.
I need to see who's the winner of getting the key. Okay, which robot is going to bring the key first? So you guys need to be right at the back. You are not allowed to move from the jail. Okay, you guys are in jail. And listen, guys. You guys are going to be in jail, and to get yourselves out, the robot is going to be instructed by you to get the key.
But you cannot use any language.
No language.
And the robot is blind.
And the robot is blind. You have to find a way to communicate. What a useless robot. So it could be.
What a lousy
It
programmer.
could be in the sense of a body language where you could just say clap, 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 or you could not say clap. You just do. Or you can say like a dog, meow, meow. What? Whatever. Or you sound.
You are not in the team.
Yes, you will get a chance to program your robot. Now your robots will come back to you. Please instruct them. Wait, no, we don't want to.
You have to use the clap or basically foot taps or whatever. Just ask yourself.
I'm just asking you. Is it
Hang on. My turn to tell you something. Robo, you go and sit there.
अच्छा रोबोट है.
What I do is, I trust me. If anyone stands up and says, oh, pee, poo, poo, what I do is, I take that robot, again I'll break him outside, because you stood up, okay? Your robot will again go outside. So don't do that, you stand up, stunts and all. I want you all to really come. You won't, if you want to download your data, please do it immediately.
Handle the robots carefully.
Where are you going to keep it? Not in your pocket, huh? Because you have a problem.
The guys will love it.
Guys, this is your key. Okay? And the key is here.
Back.
Now start your instructions as soon as they come. What? Timing is who is small, who is robot. Listen. As soon as your robot gets the key, you have to bring him back to you and to tell him, open the gate.
We can sabotage the other.
Right?
Yeah, we can
So-
sabotage the robot, right?
That is your video. That is your video. If I find normal language, that is human language, you will be disqualified. Right, all of the robots,
अरे अपना रोबोट लो भाई.
To team number 1. Unlocking their jail and releasing all the prisoners. Right? Okay. What happened over here, guys?
Chaos.
Chaos. Why did chaos happen?
Everybody's giving instruction at the same time.
Okay, good. So,
The voice of one team was more higher than the other team.
And constantly.
That is one of the strategies.
That robot
Unity,
is
unity.
excellent meeting.
So that was like unity.
no, Shrita, that team has sour grapes.
We make wine out of it. Psychic messages.
what was the name of the game?
Train the robot.
So we trained a standby robot also.
चांस ही नहीं मिला उठने के लिए उसके लिए.
इनका प्रोग्राम बहुत टेंशन था. हाँ तो इसके लिए स्टैंडबाय था ना. स्टैंडबाय था उसके.
Okay, you trained the robot, fine. So, what was the language you were supposed to use? No human language, right? And how many keys did I give you?
One.
And one key can do what? Open only one gate.
One game.
One
It's a
gate.
master key. It can open everything.
Brilliant. Big hand to him. So basically what happens over here is that when you're in an organization and you know that there's a communication gap happening, usually there's always a gap between one department and the next department. So over here, this one department that is here, which acted as team 1, needed to communicate with team 2 and team 3 that we are going to be on one uniform language that will give us an exact instruction to the exact robots, which are all 3 with one uniform instruction. You guys were next to each other. Department to department was just next to each other. Did you even think about, like, let me tell them what ours is and let me tell me what theirs is?
No.
Why didn't you communicate?
Because we were competing.
Like them.
No, we are competitors, you know. They are different companies. Like I
It was a department. You're in the same jail. So, okay, wait 1 second. So if you had just one key and that one key is a master key for all the jails, right? It opened one lock, that means it's interlocking each gate. So easy enough when you are in a department or in an organization and you need to speak to the actual people who are coordinating with you. You have to be on that sense that there is two-way communication happening. Your team was with one team. Second team over here was just silently observing what was happening. And third team over here was, hey, you are liars! You use language. Right. So
So,
अरे we were in different jails. How could we communicate?
Our plan also was that after
We were in
whoever is
class.
good to us, they will open their gates only.
okay. So, from this, what are the learnings that you can take out from this debrief? From this game?
Good to be your own.
Good to do?
Don't rely on the room. Okay, Sunita, but on a serious note, I think it's very important that as an organization, rather than thinking of individual goals or departmental goals, you need to